What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're walking around a 1965 Mustang Fastback. This one here's got a believed to be 302 under the hood, aluminum radiator. Looks like the AC setup's still on there. We'll be trying that out. This one's got drum brakes all the way around. Pretty clean car. We're also going to be doing a walk around, pointing out any kind of chips and scratches on the outside, so be sure to check that video out, the last 30 seconds of this video. We got dual exhaust out the back. Nice set of wheels. Interior's nice and clean. This is a 5-speed as well. Go on over to check out maplemotors.com. I have finance and shipping information, 100 detailed pictures, and we update the website every Monday with new cars. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Okay, before we take off, gonna look around in the interior. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Like I said, it does have a 5-speed transmission in it. Go ahead and start it up. Starts up nice and easy. Got my lady with me today. We're out cruising. This is the holiday time, so these videos were recorded previous when we were closed. The interior looks pretty good. Checking out some of these gauges. Our engine temp is still cold right now. We'll be watching it to see if it does come up. The miles, it shows 24,000. I can't stand behind that. It's really hard to prove 1965 model miles, but we're jamming. How about that? Blower motor's not cutting on this one. AC is not hooked up. I noticed under the hood it's there, but the lines are cut. This one's gonna need a blower motor. Underneath the dash here, we just noticed aftermarket gauges. Oil pressure sitting around 60. Engine temperature's coming up. It should be around 120 right now. We'll go ahead and try our wipers. Oh, we got wipers on this one. And what about the horn? You ready? Oh no, it's not working. How are you gonna tell people to get out of the way? All right, it's about that time. Let's hit the road. All right, we're gonna hit the road here. I'll do my best to stay out of the picture. We're gonna be trying everything out, and if I see it and something's wrong, I will let you know. That's why I do these test drives. First thing I noticed, we have got a Superman clutch. You're going to have to really push down on that clutch. It has been upgraded. We'll check it out and see how it feels, but it's definitely needing some pressure to push that to the ground. It is letting out nice and smooth. I mean, pretty much as soon as I let off the floor. I do not feel power steering on this one. No power steering in this car. Like I said, I gotta keep my face out of there. Here we go. Racing up pretty fast. Almost went right into the fifth. Here we go. Tell you what, it's going into all the gears nice and silky smooth, but this car is pulling to the right. If I let go of the steering wheel, we end up coming off the road here. We're at 4th gear. We got 5 gears. Let's go ahead and put it in 5th. Nice and smooth. Speedometer's coming up. Seems to be pretty correct. Turn signals are not popping up on the dash. They're not popping up on the dash there. Tell you what, the steering's still nice and tight, even though it does pull to the right. Let's check our brakes. Brakes are a little bit squishy. They're stopping fast, but they feel squishy. They're soft. One thing I'm waiting for the idle to come down on the motor here. Seems like it's idled up pretty high. I mean, that's an easy fix. Very short gears. All right, we got to make an early cut through here. They have got the road all messed up, so We're gonna cut through right here in this parking lot. Head over here to the church and get some outside shots. If you haven't before, checked in the description. I have all of the materials I use to make these videos with Amazon links where you can purchase them. All right, we're gonna jump off in this parking lot here. All right, it's about that time. Let's get these shots. Okay guys, we're getting ready to take off here. Everything seemed to be pretty good. Didn't have any issues getting around the parking lot at all. Let's see here. It's definitely got some power. Like I said, lower gears, you can feel them. We're gonna pull out of here, go ahead and head back to the car lot now. Sure, you could tell in the video that it had plenty of power when we passed the camera. Coming up on that road with a speed bump in it. We're going to hit it at a moderate speed. It's coming up right about here. Nice and smooth. right, we're right around the corner from the car lot. You like these Mustangs, don't you? Engine temperature is still good. It looks like 175. Oil pressure's at 45. We've made it back to the lot. I do appreciate y'all riding along with me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I post videos almost every day of American classic muscle cars. All right, guys. See y'all later. All right, guys, go on over and jump on to maplemotors.com. I do have financing. I do have shipping available for every car on the lot. We update the website every Monday with new inventory. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I post videos of these classics every day. You want to see the walk around video of this one, point out any kind of flaws inside, out, and underneath? Wait till the last 30 seconds and click that link. You want to see all the gear that I use? Look below in the description. I have Amazon links to all the gear I have. You easily access and pick it up. All right, I appreciate y'all watching. Let's grab another car.